Hey, if you have never made a single cent online and are super tired of throwing money out there without getting any results, listen up because I'm going to reveal you a brand new system that has generated 3.5 million in sales for all our students. And the crazy thing? Set it up, it's probably easier than anything you have tried before and you can get your results and profits fast. I know you're tired of all the BS claims you see all day out there. That's why I decided to not waste your time and give you some proof that this system works right here. Hi, I'm David Farah, and let me start off by saying I'm not going to try and wow you with any crazy promises or expectations here. That does neither of us any good. What I'm going to tell you is that ecom is the future, and if you're not doing it, you're going to miss out on tremendous profits. It's the biggest opportunity to make money online, and here's why. Ecom sales are completely disrupting the retail industry right now. With most people transitioning to work online every day, the opportunity for you to make 5, 6, or even 7 figures is bigger than ever. More and more people are buying products online. You don't want to miss the wave. With trillions of dollars in this market, even if you grab the 0.0001% of it, you'd be rich. There's never been an opportunity this huge in the history of our planet. So many ordinary people are creating 6, 7-figure ecom businesses out of nowhere. But if it's so easy, why you haven't made any money yet? You see, there are some major problems that are seriously stopping you from achieving massive success with ecom and dropshipping. See, running a successful ecom business requires a couple of things: finding hot niches, winning products, great suppliers, setting up successful ads, designing beautiful product pages, automating a ton of processes, managing inventory, fulfillment, shipping, customer support. I mean, the list goes on and on. This stuff is seriously complicated, time-consuming, and can cost you $5,000 all the way up to $30,000 on an ongoing monthly basis. I'm sure you don't have that kind of money to spend, and this is why you feel completely stuck. You're wasting time trying to do everything yourself. Doing everything yourself is not the way to run a business. Following this pattern, you can expect your business to dry out very soon. What's more, if you use Shopify, they charge you a monthly fee and you'll still have to build everything on your own. But there's also one absolute truth that goes unnoticed. That unavoidable truth is 98% of people that own a Shopify store are not making any money. If you belong to the 98%, don't get embarrassed because the truth is that it's not your fault. The real guilty ones are those I call the dream sellers, those guru gods you praise that have been peddling Shopify all over the place as that instant gold mine, but in reality, it's not that magic solution that changes your fortunes overnight. Icing on the cake, they've been pestering the market with bogus methods and robot store builders that just don't work. Is it any wonder you don't make a profit in the first 30 days? When it comes to ecom, success is down to 2 things. First, the products you sell. If you sell a product that's not hot, you'll never make any sales. Second, those who are crushing it have everything ironed out and super efficient. They focus their time on things that they know will produce income, so they make more money. Simple as that. And this made me think, what if I could create a unique piece of software that removed every piece of guesswork, didn't require Shopify in the first place, and could automate all the most daunting tasks needed for running a 6-figure ecom empire? Imagine being able to pick unique hot-selling products for 95% below retail prices, automating the work that normally would take hours to do, and most importantly, grow your business and bank account right away. Well, while thousands of newbies have been failing to make any money online, we have been secretly crushing it with a completely brand new system 97% of people don't even know exists. Introducing Dropshiply 2.0, the new updated version for 2022. Over 4,500 students enrolled the first time, making this one of the top products of all time. And now with Dropshiply 2.0, everything has been completely updated with more than 100 plus new features and improvements so you can achieve more profits in a much faster time. Dropshiply 2.0 will make it super easy for you to build and run a highly profitable ecom dropshipping business with no money, no experience, no Shopify, no Amazon, no monthly fees, no product research, no inventory, no dropshipping from China, no front-end plus shipping model, no guesswork, no failing, no need to do anything. Your only job, copy, paste, profit. Our goal is for you to make money today. Period. And Dropshiply 2.0 gives you everything you need to do that. Everything. Here's just a quick look at some of its powerful point-and-click features. World's first ecom dropshipping store creation technology, the #1 platform that creates fully fledged 5-6-figure ecom stores in under 5 minutes flat. Full WordPress and WooCommerce integrations. Integrate Dropshiply fully with your existing WordPress WooCommerce stores in seconds. Product Vault. Access a curated database of winning products with Facebook targeting and competitive analysis. One-click product importer. Automatic automatically deploy unlimited products to your stores with one click. Store Manager, manage all your products, orders, and customers from one single dashboard. 10 plus payment gateways integration. Dropshiply 2.0 integrates with more than 10 of the top payment processors so your customers can pay with confidence. Marketing tools made easy. Track everything with Facebook and Google Pixels, Google Analytics, GTM tracking tools, WhatsApp integration, and more. Inbuilt app and theme marketplace. Dropshiply 2.0 has a new built-in app and theme marketplace where you can download over 100 plus ecom apps and premium professionally designed themes to grow your business traffic and sales in minutes. And the list of extremely powerful features goes on and on. This new system requires absolutely no experience. If you can read and watch, then you are already overqualified, and we provide all the tools, instructions, and training, so this is as push button as it could ever possibly be. Now look, when my team and I sat down to discuss the public price, I was dead set on $297 minimum. We argued for a while and they won. You won't pay $297 for this amazing platform. Instead, because you are at the very front of the queue, you can get started with your own business today for a very small investment. Keep in mind that this is a very special price. All we are going to ask you to invest today is a few measly bucks. I know, we are nuts, but don't get too comfortable because this is an early bird, a grand opening special price, and it increases for the duration of the launch. You need to act fast. And here's our Dropshiply 2.0 guarantee. In case you won't get any result with Dropshiply 2.0, you're going to get a full refund within 30 days of your purchase. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. This is an incredible opportunity for you. Take advantage right now and try to visualize for a second what your new life post Dropshiply can be. Just imagine seeing your bank account reading a rock solid 6 figures. I want you to seriously stop and think. How would that feel? Imagine a life finally being debt free. Do you know how good it really feels having more time to do the things that you really love? This is your chance to find out and do it without work or struggle, because Dropshiply 2.0 allows you to have a store that can handle, track, and fulfill orders 24/7 anywhere in the world. Plus, you'll get a very special bonus, 10 GB of cloud storage completely free on our own file hosting platform, so you can host everything you want. For those who purchase Dropshiply 2.0 in the first 24 hours of the launch only. It's valued at $697 and it will be yours free, so take action now. Act fast, because this low early bird price won't last long. The clock's ticking and time is running out on this exclusive offer. After the launch week is over, you'll never see Dropshiply 2.0 offered for such a low one-time investment again. It's going up to $297, which is still a great deal, but doesn't come close to the steal we are offering you today. And remember, ecom is absolutely on fire right now, estimated to grow to $6.3 trillion by 2025. And the best time to start making massive profits is now, during the upward swing. The cost of not creating an ecom business right now, while the timing is perfect, will ruin your chances of living the .com lifestyle of total freedom, travel freedom, money freedom, and complete time freedom. So you've got two choices now. You can continue carrying on along the same path you are on right now, hoping you can achieve some success, frolicking through the endless maze of bits ops and getting scammed every day, struggling to pay your everyday bills, loans, utilities, whatever, wishing you had just a little more money, or get a chance to step into something real, something proven to make millions, and do it with someone who will actually take you on their shoulders to make sure you achieve every last little goal you can possibly dream. You can keep imagining that, or you can go get it. Not next week, not tomorrow, but right now. If you want access to a whole new world of ecom profits before it closes, you must click the buy button now. Your new world of endless profits are waiting for you on the other side. And if you pass on this one, well, just rack that up to another long list of failures, and I know it won't be the last one either. But for the rest of you, I'll see you on the other side.